Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about if your Play Store is not working, how you can solve it in your device Vivo Y33T. But firstly, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. If your Play Store is not working or you are unable to download any apps from your Play Store, you can solve it by the way as I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand it. Let's watch the video.